What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the XT shifter along with weighing it. So let's get started. So let's open this thing up. Right off the bat, shifter right on top. Comes with the cables already, and there's housing on the bottom as well, right here. So you don't have to worry about that. And then they have little kind of bolts in here as well. So let's weigh this. So we're gonna weigh these two together. So it comes in at 193 grams, pretty light. It's hard to compare to other shifters. You're only gonna get a couple grams difference. This is not really an item that you're going to be shaving off a bunch of weight from. But yeah, that's the 12-speed XT shifter and the weight. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.